Top fruits for best health: blueberries. Bursting with antioxidants, blueberries support brain health and reduce oxidative stress. Apples. Fiber-rich and vitamin-packed, apples aid digestion and promote heart health. Bananas. Potassium-rich bananas support blood pressure regulation and provide sustained energy. Oranges. Loaded with vitamin C, oranges boost immunity and enhance skin health. Strawberries. Antioxidant-packed strawberries promote digestive health and combat free radicals. Avocado. Healthy fats in avocados support heart health and nourish the skin. Pineapple. Enzyme-rich pineapple aids digestion and offers a vitamin C boost. Pomegranate. Pomegranates are antioxidant powerhouses that reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Kiwi. High vitamin C content enhances immune function and aids digestion. Grapes. Resveratrol in grapes supports heart health and provides natural sweetness. Mango. Rich in vitamins A and C, mangoes bolster eye health and immune function. Papaya. Papaya's papain enzyme aids digestion, while it's rich in vitamins C and A. Cherries. Anti-inflammatory cherries may alleviate pain and reduce inflammation. Watermelon. Hydrating and vitamin-packed, watermelon refreshes on hot days. Cranberries. Antioxidant-rich cranberries are excellent for urinary tract health. Grapefruit. Supports weight management and offers a vitamin C boost. Raspberries. Fiber-rich raspberries promote digestive health and provide antioxidants. Apricots. Apricots are a source of vitamin A and fiber for skin and digestion. Pears. High fiber content in pears aids digestion and supports heart health. Blackberries. Rich in antioxidants and fiber, blackberries promote digestive health and combat free radicals. Incorporate these fruits into your diet for a diverse range of essential nutrients and health benefits. Thank you for watching our video. Like and subscribe our channel.